Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show how to create this dark kajal look. It gives a kind of rough and tough or gothic, kind of a biker chick vibe. So let's get started. Let's start by prepping the skin. I'm using this sleeping mask by Laneige. For this look, I'm not going to add or use a lot of eyeshadow, so there is no fear of any fallouts. So that's why I'm gonna start with face makeup first. So to start with, I'm gonna use concealer. I'm using this stick concealer from Lakme. This is from the Absolute range. So if you have any imperfection or any marks or under eye area which is dark, so if you want to hide those imperfections, you can use concealer. Next is the foundation. I'm gonna use this Fit Me foundation from Maybelline. So I like this foundation because it has medium to full coverage to give, and they have a lot of shades to select from. So they have shades for almost all skin colors. So that's why I would prefer this one, and it also comes for 550 rupees. And it's quite affordable because a little goes a long way. So this, it lasts for around say for 2-3 months. So this is quite affordable and quite nice. Only thing I find which is a con for me is if you have dry skin, this is not really that moisturizing. So a moisturizer before applying this foundation is a must. So to blend in these products which I have applied on my face, the concealer and the foundation, I'm gonna use this beauty blender. And if you wanna know how to use a beauty blender in a better way, you can have a look into my tutorial. The link will be mentioned in the description box below. You can click it and watch it. Also, whenever you apply foundation, do not forget to apply foundation on your neck as well, or else the shade on your face and the neck, it looks different and it looks odd. I'm done with the base, so let's get started with eye makeup. First and foremost, before starting an eye makeup, we need to make sure the base is perfect. So let me start with concealer. So it's gonna make an even surface for the eye makeup. I'm gonna use the same concealer which I had used earlier. And of course the same blender. It's quite humid here, so I had to tie my hair up. Anyways, to continue with the eye makeup, if you have oily eyelids, I would suggest you to apply a compact powder before starting an eye makeup, because if you have oily eyelids, it doesn't make a matte base, as well as it won't let the eye makeup last for longer duration. So that's why always prepare your eyelids by applying a compact. So that will absorb the extra oiliness and makes it a perfect base. I'm using the one from Revlon. So my eyelids are prepared for the next step, eye makeup. Firstly, take the kajal. This is the one from Himalaya. This is most pocket friendly kajal I have ever purchased. So this is for 20-30 rupees and it's really nice. So you have to apply the kajal on your lower waterline and upper lash line. So I'm gonna show how it is done. Like this, the lower one. For upper one, applying the kajal on the upper line might look scary, but it's not at all scary, or it doesn't hurt. But if you apply it on your upper lash line, it's gonna intensify the look, and also it gives that illusion of you have very thick lash line. I said this is an affordable kajal, but only con is it smudges a lot. But I intentionally chose this one for this particular look because this particular look needs a lot of smudging. So I'll show you how. So now we have applied this on the lines. So now what we are going to do is apply the same kajal on the eyelids, along the lash line and just below the waterline. I'll show you how. I'm gonna repeat the same on this one. Don't worry about the perfection because anyway we are going to smudge it. So just apply it randomly, but along the lash line, along the waterline. So don't worry if there are any fallout or something. I'm gonna tell you later how to fix that as well. So now comes the interesting part, earbud. So if you don't have a brush to smudge your kajal, you can use as simple as an earbud. And what you can do is, there are two things you can do with this look. You can just simply smudge your kajal, and if you want more intense look, you can add more layer of kajal. Or else the second option is you can use eyeshadow, like a darker shade. I'm gonna use this shade and just take a little bit on this one. Maybe I'll show both the types, one on each eye. That might help you. So firstly, I'm gonna take this eyeshadow on the earbud and I'm gonna start smudging the kajal which I have applied. So it needs a lot of smudging. If you think you need more eyeshadow, you can take more eyeshadow as well. Once you start smudging, anyways the color is going to fade a bit. So if you need, you can apply a layer of kajal. So I have done this eye makeup with the eyeshadow. So this is how it looks. On the other eye, I'm gonna smudge it just using an earbud without using any eyeshadow. Let me show how it is done. So this is the clear side of the earbud. I definitely need more kajal here. So I'm gonna apply a little bit of kajal more. This kajal smudges a lot. But this kajal is good if you want to do the smudged eye makeup, because smudging is quite easy with this kajal. As you can see, I need little more kajal to intensify this look, because I need really dark eyed look. So this is how the look goes with simple earbud without using eyeshadow. But I prefer using eyeshadow because it does intensify the look a bit more, and it makes this eye makeup stay for longer than just using simple kajal. So always prefer using dark shade of eyeshadow. You can use browns or you can use black or some dark shade. So this is how it is done. I know there are smudges or the fallouts. So what I generally do is, it's simple. I just wipe it with the help of finger, and I know it's still there. You might not be able to see it in the camera, but it's still there. So what I usually do is, I apply the concealer once again, just around the eyes. Blend it. Use compact once again. So this is going to seal it. Now remaining part of the eye makeup, color and kajal. So I'm gonna quickly do contouring, and in case you want to know how to contour your face in a detailed manner, you can check my tutorial for that. I'm gonna again leave that link in the description box below. You know what to do. You can click on it and watch it. For eyebrows, I'm gonna brush them and fill certain gaps which I have. I'm gonna use LA Colors pencil for this. For cheeks, I'm gonna use the blush from Lakme. This is from Kareena Kapoor range and the color is pink. I'm gonna skip the highlighter for this look. And for lips, my eyes are already loud and I don't want that major attraction on my lips as well. So that's why I'm gonna keep my lips nude. So for which I'm gonna use this Fast Play lipstick from MAC. This is a perfect nude, I feel. So this is the complete look. I hope you find this fun and easy to create. And also you know the drill, like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching my video and keep showing your love and support to me and my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.